Imagine you had to choose a single smart device for your house. What would it be? More likely, it'd be something that ensures the safety of your home. And I don't mean a security system that costs from a few hundred to several $1,000s. This gadget's affordable, yet can save your life and property. I'm talking about a smart smoke alarm. But why is it necessary? Don't regular smoke alarms do their job? Let's consider a situation where regular smoke alarms won't help. You go to work early in the morning, so do your neighbors. Something happens in your house, and the smoke alarms go off. If no one's nearby, regular smoke alarms are entirely useless since no one will hear them. The rescue services won't know what happened and won't come to your aid. The advantage of smart alarms is that they'll notify you of the incident directly on your phone wherever you are, and even call the rescue service on their own. If you're too busy in the kitchen and the smart alarm goes off, you can quickly disable it from the app. Way better than having to swing around a broom and hope for a lucky shot, right? Even if you already have regular smoke alarms in your house, there's nothing wrong with installing a smart one. It takes just a couple of minutes, but adds a lot of peace of mind about your home. But which one to choose? Here are 3 criteria I would consider when choosing a smoke alarm for home. The first one is the type of sensor used for smoke detection, photoelectric or ionization. Ionization smoke alarms usually respond better to direct flames, while photoelectric react well to smoldering fires and can even detect cigarette smoke, making them more preferable. The second important criterion is whether the device also detects carbon monoxide levels in addition to smoke. A carbon monoxide detector is essential if you have an oil or gas boiler, furnace, oven, water heater, or fireplace. In this case, it's better to choose a combo device that detects both smoke and carbon monoxide levels. The third criterion is whether you need to pay a subscription for smart features or if it's already included in the price. I didn't have to spend much time choosing the right device because the Xsense company recently approached me to advertise their alarm. It has a photoelectric sensor, has a combo smoke and CO alarm, and its main smart features are free. The device looks like a regular alarm, but with a display showing the current carbon monoxide level in the room. It connects to the home Wi-Fi network and sends notifications to your smartphone via the Xsense app. If the level of smoke or CO in the house is elevated, you'll know about it immediately from anywhere in the world, as long as your phone has access to the internet. Let's install it and see how it works. I opted to install it in the basement where the gas furnaces and gas water heater are located. All you need to do is make 3 holes in the ceiling or wall, install the mounting plate, and attach the alarm to it. The installation took me just a couple of minutes since the device uses the battery power and doesn't need to be wired. To test the device, press the test button. Immediately, a notification comes to the phone. Conveniently, I can turn off the signal through the app. Let's go outside and see if there's a notification. Yes, the alarm went off, and a notification came immediately indicating the room where the incident occurred. If it were a real fire, I could have informed the fire department on the phone about the exact location of the fire. As I mentioned, notifications on the phone are absolutely free. You'll also receive notifications about low battery levels or any malfunctions in the device, so you'll always know if everything's okay with the device. The only paid feature is an automatic call to the rescue service when the alarm is triggered. The rescue service will call you to confirm that it's not a false alarm, and if they can't reach you, they will come out immediately. This is a useful function for cases when you're somewhere on vacation abroad. The device's lifespan is 10 years, just like regular smoke alarms, so it'll last a long time. Decide for yourself whether to replace your regular smoke alarms with these smart devices or install them additionally. The device is affordable, definitely worth its money, and there's a link in the description with a 10% discount. Stay safe!